Want to transfer all your apps from your old iPhone to your new iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max? Here's how to get all your games and apps on your new iPhone without needing your old iPhone. If you have your older iPhone with you, then there's a way to transfer your apps one by long pressing on the app icon, then tapping Share App, choose AirDrop, and choose your new iPhone from there. And what will happen? It will open the app page on the App Store, and you'll need to tap on Get. But this is very impractical as you have to do it one by one. So here's the best method that no one talks about. You can just forget about your old iPhone, and on the new iPhone just make sure you are using the same Apple ID and iCloud backup is turned on in case there are some password or some data that needs to be synced. Then just open App Store, tap on your profile from the top right, go to Apps, My Apps, and select Not on this iPhone filter. And here you'll find all the apps that you have downloaded on this Apple ID. So just scroll through the list and install any important apps that you want. So now you won't need to recall which apps you had on your older iPhone. That's it. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.